Hi, have you ever had a drawing that's not quite square, or you forgot to turn on the ortho command so you get horizontal and vertical lines, or maybe they haven't snapped to the corners? Well, yeah, we've got this drawing here, and yes, it's exaggerated just so you can see how the optimize command can work in BricsCAD Lite. So yeah, got this drawing, nothing is horizontal or vertical hardly, and I've got a gap here. So what can we do about it? We can manually select each line and drag it and snap it to the endpoints, etc. But we've got this command called optimize that can save an awful lot of time. If we select this, it's going to come up and it's going to examine the drawing. Obviously this is a very small drawing, but it would do an entire drawing, very complex if you like, in the same sort of time scale. As we can see here, it's showing me the lines highlighted that need correcting. Including this circle we've got at the top here, which is showing me the distance it's allowed to close a gap on. So we've got this endpoint and this endpoint a certain distance apart. Now we can actually set some parameters here, so we can close the gap smaller than 10 millimeters at the moment. If I now change that and I want to change that to 2 millimeters, for example, hit return, the circle will disappear because it's now not going to repair that gap. So if you've got a room layout and you've got a gap for a door frame to go in, it's not going to close the gap up for you automatically. So you're free to select the dimension it needs to look at. So go back to 10 millimeters and it's now going to move those 2 points for me. It'll also rectify lines that are a given measurement between horizontal, vertical and diagonal. And again, if we just change this, we look for all the lines that are 2 millimeters horizontal and vertical, and you can see now these lines don't apply in the update we're going to do. Again, I can just change that back to 10 millimeters and it's going to select everything. We have a choice now. We can do a preview or we can just apply. If I click on apply, it now repairs my drawing. It's as simple as that. So very quick, very easy. Doesn't really matter about the size of the drawing or complexity of the drawing. You've got the parameters that you can modify to suit the exact drawing that you're trying to repair. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much.